got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy ShawnBNice, back again with some more heat rocking. Today I have some wonderful news for y'all, man, because I know I have one person in particular who's a huge HTC fan, so I know he'd be very happy to hear this news. So first of all, just gonna give you like a little backstory. I love the HTC U11. I thought it was a marvelous phone. The build, the quality, the fluidity, everything. I thought the HTC U11 was a fantastic phone. But I thought it was also overlooked, and I actually had to return mine, but that was, you know, for personal reasons, not anything to do with the phone directly. So let me let you guys know about the HTC U12. Now, again, you know, I really don't like to do rumors, but take it with a grain of salt. This is just so far, you know, what we've heard was been supposed to be leaked out on what's to be expected on the HTC U12. All right, so obviously it's gonna have a Snapdragon 845. Display 5, it's gonna be like pretty much 6 inches, but it's gonna be 5.99 quad HD plus, RAM up to 6 gigabytes. Onboard storage, they're talking about 256 gigabytes. I don't know how true that is, but we'll see. It's gonna have dual rear cameras, a 12 megapixel and a 16 megapixel, and the sensor's gonna be provided by Sony, the IMX. Front facing camera is going to be 8 megapixels, which I'm surprised. If I'm not mistaken, the HTC U11 had like a 16 megapixel camera, and that front facing camera was probably the best front facing camera I've ever seen on any smartphone ever created. So, you know, I don't know how I feel about that really, but you know, again, HTC usually makes good camera, at least in my opinion. But again, I don't know why they took such a huge step down from 16 to 8 megapixels. But you know, we'll see. Software usually makes a difference with phones, not so much the hardware. Battery is going to be 3,400 milliamp hours, but 3,420 to be exact. IP68. They're supposed to have their own HTC Face Lock unlock, Edge Sense 2.0. It will come with Android 8.0, full trouble support, and single and dual SIM versions of the phone. So again, I think HTC U is coming out like, look fam, I don't know why y'all be trying to hate on us, but we still out here. We still making great phones. Don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't sleep on us. We still coming out with a vengeance. So again, if the HTC U12 is supposed to be like this crack, this fire, this heat rock, I definitely will be reviewing that phone on my channel without a doubt. And I'm excited. I mean, again, the HTC U11 was a fantastic, a hell of a phone. I just feel like, you know, they kind of really went under the radar. I don't know why, but I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, man. You guys, you know, excited for the HTC 12? I mean, after hearing these specs, are you guys really pumped? At least in my opinion, that's a definite hell yes for me. I really am pumped, and I can't wait till this phone to come out. But make sure you rate, make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know if you like this video or not, and let me know what you guys think about the HTC U12, and let me know if you will be picking it up. It's your boy ShawnBNice, and I'm out. Deuces.